we're gonna compare some razors. How about that? How about it? What do you reckon? Hey? You like the big one up there? Maybe that's gonna be your new razor. Welcome to the Zero Waste Man! What is up, fellas and ladies and gentlemen and whoever is watching this? I'm so glad you're here. Today we're looking at the Leaf. Now the Leaf is a zero waste razor and it might be the coolest one out there. Let's take a look, shall we? Voila! Alright, we're gonna put this aside for now, because we know how that works, right? Open that. That comes out. There's your blade. That's it. Easy. No problem. And that can go over here right now. We want to have a look at this baby. So, let's check it out. This is the black version. It loads 1 or 2 or 3 blades individually, whichever you prefer. Alright, let's have a look. Okay. Oh. So there is our razor. Wow, it's got a nice bit of weight to it. Beautiful piece of metal. Alright, there's some tape that we don't really need. Get rid of that. And get rid of that. Oh, that's a bummer. There's a little bit of paint already come off. Ooh, and look at that. It's got some nice flecks to it. Very nice. Very nice. Shame about the little scratch. Oh well. Okay, and so now your idea is you unscrew this thing here in the back. And that will then open that. Right, 1, 2, 3. And that's where your blades go. 1, 2, 3. And close it. Push it in. Bam. Sweet. Alright, let's load it up. Blades. So the beauty is you can use any blade. You don't need to use special Leaf ones. You can use all your normal safety razor blades. And the trick is you have to just snap them before you take them out of your packaging. Just like so. So they snap really easy. And there's your blades. Alright. Open it up. Let's put the first one in. Nice. Close that thing. Second one. Oop. Second one in. And we need a third one. Put the third one in. Put that on top. Push that in. Okay. Didn't cut myself? No, that's good. All right, let's get shaving. All right, so I generally don't have a lot of beard, and I don't even use shaving foam is what we call it, right? Yes. So I'm gonna do an experiment. I'm gonna shave one side with this baby and the other side with this baby. Simultaneously, obviously. Whoosh. Alright guys, since I don't use shaving foam, I'm going to use a little bit of soap. Usually I just shave when I'm in the shower or just after the shower when my hair is soft anyway. And I mean, look at me. You know, I'm almost 40 and I still don't have a beard. So, what is... I'm not 40, I was kidding. Water. Get a bit of water. Smells nice. Very, very good smells. Very awesome. Look at that. Huh? Wonderful. Here goes the new leaf. Ooh. Ooh. Wow. I mean, oh, holy cow. That is smooth. I don't even want to stop. Wow, that was like... I mean, I've used the other one. Okay, like I said, just one sec. Wow, that is like... Oh. My beard. That is so smooth. I mean, that's unbelievably nice. I don't even want to use the other one anymore because I know what they feel like. Although maybe it's just the fact that I don't use soap ever. And this is actually really, well, you know, it's also nice. But it's definitely different to the other one. I mean, I want to try the other one again. That's just like sliding down something. The only problem I think we might run into, and they mentioned that as well, is see how that's got a really big, let's call it nose up there? And now see how I have a little beardy here. There's a little beard, right? Like a pirate. And so, let's try. Wow, that is just... It's quite a difference. I mean, I'm not a pro at shaving. I only needed to start 5 years ago. But I think I got it all. I want to try on something else. Yeah, you saw it coming. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna test this bad boy on my leg. Yeah, like I've never done this and I actually know how to shave my legs. Maybe water as well. I don't know. A bit of water, a bit of soap. Let's see, huh? Again, let's test this. Oh wow. Wow, that is beautiful. Very nice, very nice. So, I think that is my new favorite razor. Well guys, I'm super impressed with this. This is really cool little razor. I think it was worth it just to demonstrate to you guys how amazingly smooth that is. I've had growth on my legs that just went like... So awesome product. I am going to be using this now as my new go-to razor. And well, I hope this was informative and helpful and made your day a little sharper. So if you'd like to say something stupid down below, be my guest. Otherwise, hit the sub button. Bring the thumbs as high as you can, and happy shaving.